Welcome everybody on Money for All channel once again. So in this video I will going to talk about the stock for which I had already made a very strong video 2 months ago, and that video was on Prakash Steel Age. I had announced on that video that 50,000 शेयर खरीदे, चार्ट ने बुल ट्रेंड में एंटर किया. और उस वीडियो में आई हैड ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन दैट वाई डिड आई बाय 50,000 शेयर ऑफ प्रकाश टीलेज, एंड आई हैड बॉट इट फॉर आई रिमेंबर 1.14, and post my buying for 2 days again there was a upper circuit, and then what happened after those upper circuit, it started coming up, coming down with lower circuits. And I was getting regular messages that you said it's in bull trend, why it is a downtrend. And I had also made it very clear that, see, this is a penny stock. You need to be very careful with penny stock is that they move in upper circuit most of the time. If a penny stock is moving uptrend, it'll either be moving in upper circuit, or when it moves down, it will move down in lower circuit. So you don't get opportunity to either buy when there's an upper circuit, or either to get exited, because there's a down circuit always. Whenever the stock market open, either there's an upper circuit or a down circuit. You don't get a mid option of buying it between the either of the phase. So that's the problem with penny stocks. But again, when you get the flavor of what these penny stocks are, you can double your money. So over the last 2-3 months, I have tracked few penny stocks in which I have seen these penny stocks going from 1 rupee to 2 rupees, so which is almost like 100% return. But they are as dangerous as cryptocurrencies. I have also seen from the past few months the kind of volatility cryptocurrency have. Looking at cryptocurrency, I personally have started feeling that our stock market is much more stable. People say that the currency market is the most stable. It has less volatility, but I personally feel that in comparison to cryptocurrency, stock market is a very stable market, and people who know, who get the flavor of it, who get the sense of what stock market is, I think people can make a lot of good money. So today, in this video, we will going to talk about Prakash Steel. I have the chart in front of you for Prakash Steel. I had bought this stock when it was at around here, at around 1.15, but I had bought it for 1.14, and then again there was upper circuit till 1.2, and then there was down circuit, again upper circuit, and then it was kind of a flat movement, upper circuit, down circuit. But see, what Prakash Steel has done in its previous result is that they have come up with 50 CR of profitability for the first time in the history of Prakash Steel. We saw a rally till 1.6, then we saw downward rally till 1.3. Again, from the last, on 15th of July, we saw the upper circuit coming up in Prakash Steel once again, and this time it looks like that it will going to surpass its 52 weeks high of 1.6 this time. And there's a very strong possibility that by the time this year end will come, this stock will be of around 5 rupee. There's a very huge possibility of that. And if that will become the reality, I will going to make around I will going to make around around 2 lakh rupee on this stock, because what I've invested when it was almost 1 rupee, I had bought 50,000, which means I had put 50,000 rupee in this. When it will be for 5 rupee, so you can imagine what kind of value it will be, around 2.5 lakh rupee. So what I'll technically make out of Prakash Steel will be almost 2 lakh rupee. So just imagine, just by putting 50,000, you can make good amount of money, but you need to pick up the best stock, and always pick up the penny stock from a sector which is in the uptrend, right? So Prakash Steel is working out well. I also want to quickly take you to Prakash Steel this thing results, so that I could show you that last result when they, what they came up with was the ever highest for them. So for that, I'm in Business Standard website. So I'm writing here Prakash Steelage, Prakash Steelage, and that's here. That's Prakash Steelage for you. And I will quickly go to the result section, and you can see 52,000 of profitability, which was negative of almost a CR in the previous quarter. See, 52,000, 52 crore of profitability, which was negative in the previous quarter. December quarter, it was 1.7 CR negative loss, and last year March it was almost a CR loss. And see the revenue growth also. Year on year, it is, I think, more or less flat. There is slight growth, but flat. But December to March again, there is a uptrend. It looks like that Prakash Steelage in the coming quarter also will going to beat its previous high, because in the last quarter result, if you see, Prakash Steelage operating profit from was 54 CR, though the revenue was 8 CR. Out of 8 CR, nobody can make a profit of 54 CR. So they have a 47 crore of other income. Where did this other income came from? This is a subject of investigation. But what it definitely look like is their revenue is growing. Even if in the June quarter they cannot come up with 52 CR of profit, but the growing revenues, high steel prices will definitely going to put this company in a radar in terms of, you can say that the fundamentals are getting better for this company. And by the year end, what I'm expecting is almost a 5 rupee of target. But we'll have to wait and watch, and we'll have to keep an eye on the quarterly number that they are coming up with. So guys, that's about it. I really want to bring the focus of on Prakash Steelage, because last 2 months, 2 months back, I had made a video that I have bought 50,000 share of Prakash Steelage. I really wanted to bring, I really wanted to bring the second update on what is the status right now with my investment, and where do I think that my investment is going by the year end. So that's about it in this video. I'll see you in the next video. What are your comments about this investment? Please write it down and let me see what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching the video.